I'm Lúcia Koch. I'm a Brazilian artist working here for a commission project for the biennial. The work is called the temperature of air, or air temperature. It's part of a body of works that I've been doing since 2004 or 5 that relates to, that uses this color gradients to create color filters for light. So when I approach a place, I think of it as a living thing. So when I get there, it's in a specific moment of that life of a place. So everything that happens before counts, but also what's going on in the present. And what I feel like are the vital substances that make a space a place is that air and light. So these are the two vital substances, air and light. So that's what I work with. So having the filters, the curtain filters moving all the time in different speeds and everything according to the wind, and also being illuminated by an ever-changing light, it makes it clear for us, for everybody, not only the audience, the public, but everybody interacting with the work. It makes clear that everything is ever changing, and I like this idea because people can play with that, can speculate. It's not a passive experience to be in the work. It's more like something happening than an object in itself, because it's really not only ever changing, but it's kind of incomplete until life happens in it. I don't see it as putting up a narrative piece. I see it's quite open to the narratives that people would build here.